The first part of it is absolutely right. The new brands, the Indian brands, were always not treated at par, and there was an aspiration for international brands. That's why there was not much growth in Indian brands. But now with e-commerce happening, if you notice, so much of sales are happening on online, and e-commerce players are also, they are asking for more margins. So Indian players are able to give more margins. So there's a growth in Indian brands. This is visible clearly. But now what is the challenge here lies now that the international brands have already occupied spots for longer tenures. For example, they have signed up for 6 years, 9 years and beyond. So for Indian brands to find spaces will be a little difficult. Having said that, they are getting prominence now. Indian brands are in the stage of development, and there are some very good brands like Fab India, W, Biba. There's so many good stories about, of Indian brands, especially in food category. We see so many good brands which have come up. So I feel that the future is very bright for Indian brands.
Churn is always better. My mall, currently the Lulu the Lulu mall in Cochin is 98% plus occupied. So, and what happens with a mall being in a tier 2 city is that every brand is not obviously done all the homework correct, and is not able to go with the taste of what the local customer needs. But what we've seen is that the international brands are sometimes coming with the cut and paste model, where they take a lot of time to adjust to each and every situation, and they feel for them they think that India is one country, the whole country is one. Actually, India has almost 25 different countries, and each of the state has a different taste. In the state, each of the cities have a different taste. So what happens, that is where the local brands get the edge. And what local brands, they are very local brands also evolving. The new generation is well studied, and with the internet and social and other mediums available, they can do research faster, they can understand. So and with the technology and the Make in India which is coming up, they are able to source and produce it locally also. So and what is happening is, because they're locally available, they can quickly give it to the customer. The emerging trend, whichever is a new trend which is coming, they can quickly make it and give it to the customer at the local level, which an international brand will take time. So that's the reason local brands are doing extremely well.
I could give you my experience on how my Indian brands are doing in my center, and when I look at the growth year on year for the last 3-4 years, I have not seen them grow any less than the international brands. What typically happens is, when a new international brand opens, it sees a surge, but that is the novelty or whatever you might call it. But then after 6 months, it balances out, and the growth year on year comes to the Indian and the international brands almost equally.